Okay, now Debbie Rennert is going to show us the first row of the triangle of the Stephen West Triangle Parade.
So I have knit 2 SSK to the point where I now have 7 stitches on the needle. So you knit 2, slip, slip, knit, and you leave these 3 on this needle, and now you need to reverse the order of these 3 on the left needle. And you can do this many ways, but I just take them right off the needle and turn them towards me and put them back on the needle. And you want to see that the I cord has rolled inward towards the middle. If it's not this way, then you have it twisted the opposite way. So you bring the other 3 stitches over, so now 6 stitches are on this needle, and you can see how both I cords on both sides kind of move in together. And then from there it's just a matter of doing the knit 2 SSK however many times it says until you have 3 stitches left.
So you're decreasing.
You're decreasing, and that will close the end of that triangle. You go back.
I want to see how it looks when you get done with it.
And this is the last row. Knit 2, and you'll slip, slip, knit. So now you have 3 stitches left, and these 2 I cords have blended together. Just like that.
Awesome.
That's
okay.
it.
Awesome. Thank you, Debbie.